In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Discord server. So basically it's pretty easy. Now I will show you how to do it on your laptop. It works for Mac and Windows, but you can do the same step on your mobile phone. So this tutorial will be helpful for both for PCs and for mobile. So it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do. So all we need is just to find the necessary servers. For example, this one is called Twitch. It was created by me, so we can click on it. We can see that only I am right up here, right up now. So this is my server. So to delete it, all we need is just to click on the icon with the right mouse button and then just go to server settings right up here. So we can click on it. And after that we can see our settings page. This is all we can do here, but now we are interested in the left side menu, so we need to scroll it down to find the delete server option. So this is a way how we can delete our server. So if we'll click it once more, we can see that now all we need is just to prove it with our mobile phone, and after that our server will be successfully deleted. But I don't have my mobile right up here, but this is a way how you can do this by yourself. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If it is, please like this video, subscribe to my channel and write your comment. Goodbye.